Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make popsicles freeze faster. To achieve this, consider using smaller molds, as less volume means quicker freezing times. Also, ensure your freezer is set to its coldest possible temperature, ideally around 0 degrees Fahrenheit or -18 degrees Celsius. A simple trick is to add a bowl of salt water to your freezer. This helps maintain a consistently lower temperature, speeding up the freezing process for your delicious treats. The ingredients you choose play a significant role in freezing speed. Recipes with less sugar will freeze more quickly, as sugar lowers the freezing point. Avoid adding alcohol, even in small amounts, as it dramatically inhibits freezing. Opt for water-based mixtures over those with high fat or cream content. Water freezes at a higher temperature, allowing your popsicles to solidify in less time, often cutting the wait by half. Where you place your popsicle molds in the freezer also makes a difference. The back of the freezer is typically the coldest spot, offering a more consistent temperature for rapid freezing. Make sure there's ample space around each mold to allow for proper cold air circulation. Overcrowding your freezer can create warm pockets, slowing down the overall freezing process. Aim for at least 1 inch of space around each mold for best results. For an extra boost, pre-chill your popsicle mixture in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before pouring it into molds. This reduces the initial temperature difference, cutting down freezing time. Consider using metal molds, as they conduct cold much more efficiently than plastic, often reducing freezing time by 25%. Finally, stirring your mixture just before pouring ensures even temperature distribution, leading to a quicker and more uniform freeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.